Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral, another small business grant right in front of you. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get small business grant of up to $25,000, and in other words, you can say grant means free money. Yes, and I am going to upload 11 more small business grant videos just for you in this channel. So if you would like to watch those videos, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video as well, you know that you need to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And you already know that we deserve a like, so please like this video, it helps us. And if you want to support the channel, don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. So this time, this video is for the city of Phoenix and the state of Arizona. Yes, I know a lot of people ask me that who lives in Arizona that, hey, do you have something for us? And here it is right in front of you. Yes, you can get the grant of up to $25,000 in small business grant. And what it means grant, that free money, right? So you can get it by following simple steps. And remember, when we talk about grants, so you have to follow some rules in order for that to be grant for you. So what it means, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order for you to not to pay a single penny back to, of course, a small business grant association, or you can say the city of Phoenix. Yes, even in your state you have a lot of opportunities. All you need to do, you need to just subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon if you want to know about the opportunities in your own state, because I am going to upload 11 more videos of 11 different states. So in order to know about it and to know how you can apply for those grants, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. So now, without wasting any time, let's do it, because I don't want to stretch this video a lot. But remember, you have to watch this video till the end in order to get this small business assistance grant, or you can say small business grant of $25,000 with, of course, as you can say, no restriction. So remember what it means, that as of September 28, 2020, Phoenix small business may now be eligible to up to $25,000, and it's actually for Maricopa County Relief Grant. Yes, you can do that, and I am going to take you to the application and show you step by step what you need to do. So the link is actually in the video's description. All you need to do, you need to click on the link and this website will open. So when this website will open, all you need to do, you need to scroll down. So as soon as you scroll down, you need to come under this headline, Small Business Financial Aid. As soon as you do that, you will read this as the September 28, 2020, you will be available for at least $25,000 for your business. So it means you don't have to pay it back. You don't have to pay a single penny back. So under this, you will see this link right here, azfoundation.org, Maricopa Relief. You need to click on it. So as soon as you click on it, this website will open of Arizona Community Foundation, right? So as soon as it opens, you need to scroll down and read couple of things, right? So the first one is that application for phase 2 will be accepted beginning Monday, August 17. Yes, it's already been started, but the biggest catch is, and you need to be aware that the deadline is actually November 13, so you don't have much time, right? Do it as soon as possible, because you are running out of time if you haven't applied for this. And remember, what do you need to do? I'm going to tell you step by step, but again, the deadline is November 13, and you have to keep that in mind. So when you open this website, you need to scroll down, and under deadline you will see qualification. So under qualification headline, you will see right there, to qualify for a small business, non-profits and profits, of course you can do that, you must meet all of the following requirements. Remember, the first thing, that your business has to be operative in Maricopa County prior to January 1, 2019. So if you've been operating between January 1 and March 1, 2020, you will be eligible for this grant program. The other one, that employs 50 or fewer full time, because like if you have more than 50 employees, then of course you are not a small business. So you have to have at least 50 or less than, so you have to have fewer than 50 employees, or 50 of course, right? And you did not generate more than 5 million in gross revenue. So remember this, if you're over $5 million, you are not a small business, you cannot do that, right? And there are other requirements that you can read. It's something internal to your business. So in order to know, please scroll down to this website and read each and everything, because this is the basic requirement for this grant. So now click on this link and see what will open. So right here, whenever you click on it, this page will open, and all you need to do, it will tell you that what sort of required documents you need, such as your IRS W-9 and other requirements, right? But what you need to do, you need to scroll down right here and click on begin your application. So you click on it. As soon as you click on it, this page will open. I know most of you don't have this account with Arizona Community Foundation. If you already does, then you are good, but if you don't, then click on create new account. As soon as you click on it, this form will open. Right here, you need to put your organization name, your EIN number. If you have a website, it's not a mandatory thing, but if you do have a website, you can mention it right there. If not, you're good to go. Now your telephone number, I always tell everyone that if you are the owner of the business, always put your own telephone number, because if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you. Now then, you need to put your email address, your business email address, your state, and the country and stuff, right? So as soon as you click on next, it will ask you for some additional information for your business. That's internal, so I'm not gonna go through that. So that's actually the application. As soon as you click on create account at the end, this application will be submitted, and then you will be eligible for that grant. But remember, the deadline, as we all know, is just November 13. So make sure that you apply before November 13. You don't have much time. And remember one more thing, that I'm going to post 11 more videos for the grant. So in order to know about these videos and watch them, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $25,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So don't forget to give it a like, and also subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.